Hi everyone, my name is Josh and this is Unique Amps. Welcome to Unique Amps. I created this channel to share my interests, hobbies, ideas, and projects, especially those that are related to guitar amplification, electronics, and technology. Also, I wanted to get your feedback, questions, comments, and constructive criticism. Maybe we can even collaborate on a project, who knows. So leave me comments, send me emails, create your own videos, have fun and be creative. And check out uniqueamps.com for my credentials and information. Okay, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to share the gear I'm using to create these videos, show you quickly what I did to record the intro guitar, and give you a brief preview of what's to come. I also plan on sharing a little of the making of each video, so feel free to let me know what you like, what you don't like, and what improvements I can make. This channel's format will be pretty fluid, especially in the beginning, so maybe your input will shape these videos forever. So here we go. My main camera is a Canon EOS Rebel T5i paired with a Sigma 50mm f1.4 prime lens most of the time. I found some screw-on lenses on Amazon that seem to work well for macro shots. I'll eventually upgrade, so let me know if you have any suggestions. My secondary camera is a Canon SX40HS. I guess I like Canon. I have several microphones to use. For this video, I'm using an MXL 990 condenser running into a Cakewalk UA25EX that I've had for many years. The guitar I'm using is an Ibanez RG7421 PB 7-string with D'Addario NYXL strings tuned to a drop A. I have other Ibanez and a few Schecters you'll probably see in the future. The tuner is a Strobo Plus HD. Audio recording software is Reaper. I paid the $60 for the personal license. The video software is Shotcut, which is free. To record the intro guitar, I decided to use my customized Kustom 12-gauge amp. The mods are an Eminence speaker, germanium clipping diodes in the solid-state overdrive circuit, a 3-spring reverb tank, low voltage tube circuit, different grill cloth, and an added blue EL wire around the grill. I plan to go over these mods in more depth in other videos, as well as make the modification of another custom 12-gauge, with your help, the focus of a video series. So we have a small closet next to the kitchen and living room, and I decided to use it as the sound room to record the intro. We use it for garbage and storage, so I cleaned it out initially. Of course, the cats are always interested in the unusual things that we do. I thought it would be interesting to record two angles simultaneously, then sync them together and play them back split screen. Syncing the videos, especially sped up, was a little tricky, but I think they turned out okay. Getting the mic and stand in there, I initially used the solid mount for the mic, but after thinking about it, decided to use the included shock mount instead. I bought this mic 10 years ago along with the audio interface when I thought I wanted to get into music recording and haven't used it much yet. Time to use it now! OMG, I'm going bald! And the shock mount installed. Mic installed. Get out of there, Cloud. Getting the cable situated. Ready to record. So the camera in this case is the SX40. The audio is from the built-in microphones. Did some tuning first. Now I'm messing around with the concept. And take one basically. Take two. Take three. Take four. Wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do, but this last take became the intro audio. So I added some reverb, stereo separation, EQ. I also recorded a little descending part to go over the ascending chords at the end of the riff. Added reverb, delay, EQ of course, to fill in the space, make everything sound bigger. Okay, I think that wraps it up for today. I need to work on the next video. I captured the video last night. Now I need to put it all together, as well as my commentary. Before I forget, I'm going to say the obligatory please like and share my videos and subscribe. But you're only going to hear me say that in this video because everybody else says it on every single video, so I'm deciding to be different. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm planning on always including outtakes and or previews at the end of each video, so it would behoove you to watch until the bitter end. So thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think, and take care.